All right, hello everyone. More kind of congested a little bit. Morning pages, day 6, Sunday, June 25th. I don't really feel necessarily like doing morning pages today. Again, I have like a weekend writing thing where I don't really like writing that much on the weekends. I mean, I'll write, but there's a part of me that's feeling like, why are you doing this? It's Sunday. But it's a 20-minute practice, and I'm going to do it for 30 days, if not longer, and trying to detach from that thing of me wanting to do it and me not wanting to do it. So I'm having a little bit of that just because I think it's the weekend, but I'm here. I showed up. That's what matters. So I'm going to date it up on top, June 25th, and then just get into it. Done. Man. 1, 2, 3. These pages are all for me. All right. That's it. Have a good one. No. That was a pretty interesting experience. I mean, I didn't know what I was going to write about and just started writing about things in my life, and I wanted to go without crossing anything out this time, and that was pretty that was accomplished. I was able to do that. um I kind of was like zoning in and out. I'm still kind of tired. It's kind of like zoning in and out when I was writing, and also kind of separating from it to where I was just kind of letting come out whatever wanted to come out. there wasn't many there weren't many judgments associated with it. I wasn't feeling like I needed to judge the writing or anything like that. I don't know, it's a pretty standard day. I don't really have anything to say about them except that my cursive is getting better, but it also gets worse sometimes. Sometimes I'll write a sentence and it'll be very coherent. I could see it, or I could read it probably fairly well, but other times I don't even know where to cross like a T. It's like so bad. But I've been mainly writing a cursive, and yeah, I don't know. I feel like I have nothing to say today, so I just did the pages, and yeah, they were mostly like self-examining today, so I guess that's how I or what needed to happen. So that's all. That's day 6. Nothing too exciting. So have a good weekend. See y'all tomorrow.